Hey, we are back with another video of Mr. Bob, and today we are going to be making a dragon claw. So, what it looks like is this, basically a dragon claw. If you get 10, you can put it on your fingers, so you have dragon claws. This requires one piece of paper and yourself. No square paper, just one sheet of blank printer paper. So, where'd my paper go? Oh, there, finally, it's here. So, the first step, it's the step to make a square. So you're going to line this up, this edge to this edge. It won't go all the way, but it'll be like this. You try to line it up as much as you can. Then you're going to fold it this corner to here. So it'll basically be like a house. Then you're going to fold, well, the bottom corners of the house up like this on both sides. And then you're going to fold this crease right here, or this line, whatever you want to call it, up onto the triangle. So after you fold it, there will be another mini triangle here. Then you're going to fold it in half. And you fold it so this side right here lines up with the crease you just made. You're going to keep doing overlapping until you've got it at the end. Then it'll look like this. You're going to take the loose end, like right here, and stick it in this pocket here. So you might need to like fold it and mess with it. It doesn't have to be neat there because that part's just going inside. Nobody's seeing it. And there, you've got a dragon claw. So how to put it on? At the very end, that last little triangle with the right angle here, we're going to look under it, and there will be a little pocket for your finger. Then you'll put your finger in that pocket, stuff it in there, and you've got it on. Oh, now I've got two. So, see you next time. Make sure to like and smash that subscribe button. See you next time.